Zuki Audio. I don't know how many of you guys have heard of this company, but I'd never heard of it till I got a couple of these amps from my friend Russell to test. So I decided, since it's been a few years, you guys haven't seen this, let me put it on my second channel, the Willie Wilson channel here, so I can just talk a little bit about the amp and then you guys can see what's going on with the power output. This amp is rated 100 watts at 4 ohms. That is the only rating. If you know any more about these amps, post in the comment section below and I'll update the video description so everybody can see. Let's look at the connections on the amp here. On the one side, you see the daisy chain in and out, slave and master switch, phase control, gain control, and the bass EQ from 0 to 18 dB. Move over a little bit, you see the bass remote connection. You see the low pass filter from 50 Hz to 400 Hz, subsonic from 20 to 50 Hz, power protect LEDs, line inputs and line outputs via standard RCA jacks. On the opposite end, we have the speaker connections, the remote connection, and also power and ground. Now, the power and ground here is 1 aught. I recommend that you use the double inputs if you have them, because you'll see again, this amplifier is really powerful, so you want to make sure you give it all the current that it needs. For the speaker outputs, it is a mono block, but it has two different outputs via 8 gauge terminals, just for convenience. Now again, I would use double 1 aught if you can to test the amp out. So I got it wired up to the dyno, so the rest of the video I will show you what it does. Alright, Zuki mono block, 4 ohms, 40 hertz. 1% THD certified run on the dyno. (1829 watts, 13.97 volts, and 212.4 amps. Zuki Audio, 4 ohms, dynamic burst, 40 hertz. I have no idea what this thing is rated. (2336), 14 volts. Zuki Auto mono block, 40 hertz, 2 ohms, certified to 1% THD. (3164), 13.57. 4148. Good Lord. Audio 2 ohms, dynamic burst, 40 hertz. (3783), 13.5 volts. Alright, Zuki Audio, 1 ohm, certified, 40 hertz. Have no idea what it's rated. We'll see what it does. (3768), 14.24 volts. Check out the current pull. 647.6 amps. Holy crap. Zuki Audio, let's try 1 ohm uncertified up to clipping, 40 hertz. Holy crap. 5,036 watts, 13.2 volts. Look at that current pull. 688.7 amps. Good Lord. Zuki Audio, dynamic burst, 1 ohm, 40 hertz. (5,688 watts, 13.62 volts. Wow. Audio dynamic burst, 0.8 mono, 40 hertz. 6,788 watts. 0.8, 13.8. This is a man's amp, my friends.